Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be talking about Draghitrade.com, the new trading platform out there. I'll be going through the different sections of the website, explain each one of them, and then move on to the available commodities, indices, or cryptocurrencies available to trade in on Draghitrade.com. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Also, please use all the links and resources put in the description below, and enjoy the video. So guys, we are back on Draghitrade.com, the official site of Draghitrade, and in this video, like I told you already, that we're gonna browse the different sections of the website, from markets, trading condition, about company, and contacts, and we'll be going through the registration process. So Draghitrade is actually one of the newest trading platforms out there, and it gives you also here some reasons why to open an account right now. So Draghitrade is actually under the control of regulators, and you can actually read more information when pressing each one of these informations right here. There is also instruments for market analysis that are available 24/7, from indicator, oscillators, and other analysis instruments. It has a very simplified system of replenishment and withdrawal, and it actually takes a few minutes for the withdrawal or the deposit. There's also professional help. Technical support is available 24/7 for your inquiries or problems if you have faced any. There is also an informative terminal, so the intuitive trading terminal will be appreciated by both beginners and professionals of online trading on financial markets. And of course, Draghitrade.com is actually trusted and vouched for from more than 38,000 traders, and that's probably the best indicator of the company's stability and the trust of 10,000s of traders. There is here also some information about taking advantage of unique trading terms. So here there is some really special informations from spread from 0.1 points, more than 250 trading instruments, broker commission is at 0%, and execution up to 60 milliseconds. So that's really some nice stats about Draghitrade, and what made me actually swap to Draghitrade. Here it gives you some informations about how to become a professional trader right now, which are creating an account, replenish your deposit, and of course open your first transaction if you haven't already done that on Draghitrade, or if you are just starting out trading and you just joined Draghitrade, then opening your first transaction will actually make you feel a lot good. So here there is actually on this side 3 different account types. So there is the starter, which has a minimum deposit of 250. The leverage is from 1 to 100, and there is instant execution. All of the other things are not available. For the optimal account, which is the second account, the minimum deposit is 1,000 euros. The leverage is 1 up to 500, and there is instant execution, cryptocurrencies and metals trading, and deposit insurance. There is also here the superior account, which is the highest ranked account on the site. So the minimum deposit is 10,000, leverage is 1 out of 500, instant execution, cryptocurrencies and metals trading, deposit insurance, protection of deposits, and of course 24-hour personal support. And if you are interested about choosing one of these, just press this green button right here and you will be redirected to the registration form. So now we will be going through the different markets. Here on the top panel you have markets. So if you go to currencies, and here you would be finding the currencies that are available. Also there is metals, stocks, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. So we'll be going through the cryptocurrencies, for example. So here it says open CFD transactions with cryptocurrency on favorable terms. Here there is 2 directions of transaction: permanent addition of tokens, no execution costs, and of course only the effective price counts. And here it shows you how the platform of Draghitrade, when registering or when logging in, looks like. So you can see here there is the chart, there is some different indicators here. You can change from candle to lines, and you can actually choose the timestamp from 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day, and you can actually customize that up to 12 months. And that's it for the markets. Let's go to the trading conditions. So the trading conditions we already talked about in the main site, which are the creating an account, replenish your deposit, and open your first transaction. And of course here there are the 3 different types of the Draghitrade. So if you're interested about opening up an account, make sure to check the links in the description below. And here they have the about company, and here they have all the licenses and stuff that is related to that. Also they have here a small map, or let's say history. So this company got started or founded in 2018, and it's running starting from there, and now they are actually trying to promote it more, since a lot of users and traders are getting to know more and more Draghitrade. Here they have a contacts page
which they put their professional email there, support@draghitrade.com. Of course, the links and all these information will be in the description below. So if you need any sort of direction, just go check out the description. You will be finding everything detailed there. So now we will be going through the registration form. So here, as you can see on Draghitrade.com, actually the registration is very easy. So it actually asks you only for your name, surname, email address. It needs to be valid, of course, a phone number, where you are coming from. Of course, you need to type in the country numbers, the password, repeating the password, your country where you're coming from or where you are based actually right now. And if you have also a promotional code, please use our promotional code. The link will be in the description below. And of course, before signing up, make sure to finish the CAPTCHA and make sure that you're not a robot, and then just sign up here, and then you will be just directed automatically to the main platform of Draghitrade.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about Draghitrade.com, the new trading platform out there. We went through the different sections of the website and explained all the available commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies available to trade in. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye bye.